Warning. The following film was curated by stunt professionals and special effects experts. Do not try this at home.
Oh. Oh. How we doing, Keegan? We are Rippin today, baby. Are you not getting him? Did you not? Hey, buddy.
Car. Take it to my back patio.
Back for what?
We're gonna pressure wash it.
Can I do a couple more wheelies?
Yeah, but we're done recording.
Huh?
We're done recording. Let me see one.
Just keep that rolling. Here's a little bit. Going back to Keegan's backyard. Here at the farm. Oh, he's good. Oh, he's good. So, back at the farm. Thought it'd be only right if you get to see my Danger Ranger. Follow me. So, as of right now, we're out of gas because this ain't a gas guzzler. Here, let me check the interior, guys. So, right now, we have a special fan, my shifter, my phone holder, and my horn, but it doesn't work. As you know, we like to keep it redneck country around here. Don't tread on my gun rights. All right, bub. You gotta have the double, works like that. Better built Co, whatever. Sitting on 33s, chrome rims.
I don't care how much they pay him, Ernie. This kid is a disgrace to basketball. He epitomizes everything wrong with the game today.
Now, Charles, it seems to me that you're hating on Riley because he stacks paper to the ceiling and rides on 24-inch chrome.
Yeah, that's true.
Now let's go back to my on the floor.
I'm not sure what this is a Mercedes, 1971 Mercedes 71 SC.
The next day.
So, I guess we're back. Send it.
No. Front fork is gone.
Huh?
If he sends it, it's gonna blow my fork.
Don't send it. Did it, dude?
I'll hit it one more time big and I'll throw a little whip so you can get a good time.
What do you mean a little whip?
Like I'll go sideways with it so you can get a good title.
Well, if you do that. Hey, send it! That was my jet nest.
Moments later.
Alright guys, so we were getting some night rollers, everything was going smoothly, and then we'll keep y'all updated on what happens here, and yeah. That's bright. I guess we'll see y'all
On the flip side.
on the flip side.
Let's get out of here. Go, 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 go. Hurry.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get